People ask me all the time what it takes to build a watch. Time. Time is the answer. It takes a lot of time. No pun intended. I've studied and researched and trial and errored for years, and that is the initial investment to do this work. Then there's the time to build each timepiece. This watch, for instance, has taken me about 2 days of work to get to the stage where I am at now, where I'm just ready to build it. And this 2.5-minute video covers the time of another day's work to finish this out. Now, I've left out some of the steps mainly because my hands are blocking the work for the video when putting the hands on the watch, or when I was machining the movement ring holder, as I don't have a good camera setup or any way to video my workshop yet. I had almost an hour of video that spanned my day's worth of work, but after I compressed it to 5 times the speed and cuts out some steps to make it just a little bit more watchable, and didn't cover the design or making of the dial, it's down to about 2.5 minutes. And that doesn't include me regulating the watch to make it accurate and then evaluating it for several days on my test winder to verify its accuracy. This watch, incidentally, is actually for my oldest child. They are graduating from school, and this is a dial and watch that I made just for them. Today, it is truly a one-of-a-kind and will always be the first of its kind. However, I'm offering it at bargerwatch.com as a special order item if you or someone you love would like one. It will be an extremely limited edition, and at some point, I'll retire the design. I'm guessing somewhere around 30 watches total. Anyway, thanks for watching, and do me a huge solid by liking the clip. And if you aren't following me and you'd like more watch stuff, follow, and I'll get some more your way as I work through my next watch. Thanks a bunch.